Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk to you about overworking or hustling too much, trying too hard to do everything and be everything to everybody. It's a problem I see frequently, especially with people that are coming to the e-commerce world for the first time. And you know, it sounds like it's not a bad thing, but it really is a bad thing. You can't work all the time. I have people leave comments. I have people come to my seminars and ask questions, and they tell me that they're really struggling to make some sales on Amazon. They're struggling to make sales on Shopify. I launched and just really get it out there. They're doing all these different things, trying to generate traffic and ultimately trying to generate income. And sometimes they are so engrossed and so focused on these minute, insignificant little details that they miss the big picture entirely. And there are a couple of messages in this video that I want you to get. And one of the messages that I've touched on in other videos is, we have a mindset as human beings. It seems like we're hardwired to believe that there is a secret out there, that if you only knew that secret, you would be successful at whatever it is that you were trying to do. Or that there are things out there, there's information out there that some mysterious they don't want you to know. You can confirm this conspiracy theory of mine by going to a bookstore and walking down the business aisle. And you're going to see books about investing, books about running a business, books about advertising, and a large percentage of those books are going to have words like secret in their title, the hidden messages that they don't want you to know, the hidden truth that they don't want you to know, the secret to investing, the secret to starting a business, the secret to running ads, on and on and on. It's a theme that I think has been going on forever and probably will continue forever because it seems to be hardwired into our brains as humans. What a lot of people don't realize is that now more so than ever, there really are no secrets. Pretty much anything you want to know, you can find on YouTube or on Google. You can find answers. It's just a question really of taking those answers and taking that information and putting it into use and making it something that's useful for you that you can utilize as a tool to reach your goals. So, with that said, I would encourage a lot of you, especially if you have a spouse or a significant other in your life who's telling you that you're working too much, listen to them, okay? Step away for a day. Literally leave your phone at home, walk away from the computer, go to a park, walk around for the day, have a picnic, do something, go work on your car, but do something for a day or maybe 2 days where you put the online world completely out of your life, and specifically and in particular the e-commerce world completely out of your life, and odds are you'll come back to that environment in a day or two with renewed vigor, with a greater sense of confidence, and probably a different perspective. You've given your brain a rest. You've given your brain a chance to process the things that you learn every day that you just can't really assimilate while you're in work mode all the time. Taking a day off every now and then, and a complete day off. I mean, just really cut yourself off from anything digital or electronic. But taking that time can make you healthier, happier, and it can make you a lot wealthier and richer as well. So, it's a great way to proceed with things. I don't understand, well, let me change that. I do understand the people that are starting off and they've got alerts set up on their phone and they're checking constantly to see if they've made a sale. And when they do make a sale, that first or second or maybe the 10th sale of their entire e-commerce life, they're jumping up and down screaming. They're super excited. But that excitement takes a toll. It takes energy and it takes a toll. And, it's one thing if you're doing that in the first month that you're online, but if you're doing that a year later and you're still monitoring every single email the second it comes in, if you're still monitoring every single sale the second it comes in, you're kind of missing the point of doing business online in the first place, which is to give you a lifestyle, which is to give you the freedom to go out and relax and enjoy life. If you're tethered to, the two-dimensional online world 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you're not doing the other things that you want to do and that you need to do in order to really benefit from all your efforts. So take this as a cautionary tale, if you will. Take this to heart. Again, if you're struggling, even if you're starting off, if you're struggling to make your first sale, but you've had your head in your computer for the last 30 days and you're just, you're doing everything you can to make that first sale, maybe the thing you really need to do is step away for one day. It's not going to kill you. It will probably help you. But worst case scenario, it's not going to do anything but let you come back and be more rested and more focused one day later. But normally along with that rest and that focus comes some additional insight and maybe some additional ideas into the things that you need to do. So, this should generate some questions. Ask a few questions. Leave some comments below. If you have not done so already, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.